कोई बात नहीं।
ముందు గంటగా కొంచెం నాకు యూజ్ చేసిన అంట యూజ్ చేసినాక
Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, it is audible? Yeah. Today, very important, concentrate here. Why? Because second rule in aware 2_date side, I will tell you that is the most powerful concept. Yesterday, we are starting about some queries. Just practice purpose, only 2 practice purpose. Yesterday, I am telling about month wise, I am telling MM like this. Here, MO and TH like this, I am telling. And maybe year wise also, you are writing only. Now here, yes, month wise you are writing this. Then another query, write it, another query. One is year wise, one is day wise, you are writing. That's enough. Write a query. It's very easy. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are joining in the year. Who are joining in the year 81. 81 means maybe 1981 or 2081, anything. 81, that's all. 81 from EMP table by using 2_char function. Write a query to display the employees who are joining in the year 81 from EMP table by using 2_char function. This is nobody mistaken. Why? Because easiest query in a database. Now, how can I yesterday found, you know? Yes, we can also use a what conditionally we are retrieving the data means functions in a where class. That's why where 2_char of here in a okay. So now here higher database, no higher date like this only, but year means YY. 4-digit year means YYY. But here they're asking 81. They're asking, that's why YY. There is no problem only here. Single quotes here 81 like this only. Okay. Single code you are not using also working. Why? Because automatic conversion is there here internally. Now how much easier? That's why these type of queries nobody mistake. Now check it out. Here in 81, whatever employees are joining, those all employees details automatically displayed or not? Yes, simple. Write it fastly, this query. Just this is practice purpose, very easy. Computer up to now, year wise you are writing, month wise you are writing. Okay, na? Yes, day wise also you have to write it. This is entry question. What is that one means? So now concentrate here. Suppose here now very interesting this one. Maybe simple way entry you are asking these type of questions. Now check it out. Simple question. Suppose you are observing or not, hire date means joining date. Some employees are joining before 15th of month. Suppose here, yes, here, 2nd April, 1st May, 9th June, 9th December, 8th September, 12th January, 3rd December, 3rd December. These are all employees are joining before 15th of any month. That is December 15 before, or January 15 before, or February 15 before, or April 15 before. That's why I want to display the employees who are joining before 15th of a month from EMP table by using _char function. Yes, that is you are only write it. Okay, but easy, that easy. Maybe anybody attending yesterday or previous classes means some formats you have an idea. No, one of the format is suitable, but easy, not a difficult. Write it. Before means less than, greater than, you are only choosing. Okay, na? Yeah, very good. Write it this query. These are small queries. Write it. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are joining. Who are joining before 15th of every month. Every month means any month. Every month from EMP table. From EMP table by using _char function. Maybe try it. Easiest query this one. Logic very good, less than but before 15th of every month. 15th means that is date. 15th month is not there, no. Very good. But how you are writing, write it. Before 15th, maybe 2nd April, 3rd December, 7th October, like this. Okay, yeah. 15th before. Maybe all are writing this query, I think. Write a query to display the employees who are joining before 15th of every month from EMP table by using _char function. Very good, one fellow is writing correct. Again, all of them try it. But these type of questions also interviewer asking, that's why. Completed. Why so many interviewer asking about these type of easy questions means reason is there may be first time newcomer little bit of confusing. 15th of a month they are asking only. Month means MON, MONTH, MM they are thinking. No, this is not month related. 15th before in every month means that is a day. That is important. So now that's why here we are using a 15th, 16th, 12, 20, 10, 20, 30 like this means which format we are using. Very good, DD. That is important. Very good. In our class, so many fellows are using correct. Yes, DD, 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 SPD at your own which. Okay, DD enough or not? Yes, very good. That's why this is a day based only here. Now 2nd April, 1st May, 9th June, 9th December, like this only. And now here really that is correct or not? Check it out. Select. Very good. DD is a correct answer. Select a star from EMP. That's why which format is suitable. You are only choosing where _char of here higher date, comma here DD like this only. And now here higher date here like this DD day of the month. No, yeah. So now here yes here less than here 15. Okay, na? Here single code you are not using also working because implicit conversion, but I am writing correctly. Here right, okay, observe it here how much easy. Here 2nd April, 1st May, 9th June, 9th December, 8th September, 12th January, 3rd December, 3rd December it will be there or not? Yes, here. Write it. Okay, now finished. Very easy, very good. So many fellows are guessing. Very good, correct. Now 1 minute observe here. 1 minute only. Okay, well, same like yesterday concept. 1 minute only. Suppose here in okay, select the star from EMP is there. In this one, a date dated. I will today you are inserting a dates also. Don't worry. Here higher date is a column is there. This is in this date you are they are inserting a dates only. You are also today very important inserting a dates only. After inserting also some problems are there, round trunk, so many things are there. I am telling, but first now here. Yes, this is a higher date is there, but here day DD December MON YY format is there. This is a default date format. Now what I want to display means substitute here. Don't write it. Select ename I want to display. Higher date I want to display. Here in a future extract is a function is there. Through that one we are retrieving some portion, some format only, month, day, year format. Same like in a way up to today we are learning a 2char. No? 2char I'm using. Here higher date I'm using only. Here I'm using a what? Suppose up to now I'm not telling, only DAY I'm using. From EMP like this. Now observe it here. Yes. Here maybe 17th December 1980 this one. Okay, 1980 is a Wednesday. 20th February is a what? Friday. 22nd February is a what? Sunday. That's why which day it is I want to find out means we are using a what here. Yes, here DAY format only. Okay, generally the DAY format. Now in a previous case you are writing the what? Query. So now generally up to yesterday how you are writing? Select star from EMP where 2_care of higher date. Okay, na higher date. Here you are using a what? DD you are using here, MONTH you are using, MON using, MM you are using, YY we are using, practice purpose. Here I try to use a what? A DAY like this. Here, okay, Friday, FRI, DAY, I am writing like this. Observe it here. Slowly observe it here. No rows selected. Here I try to use a what here, and now check it out. Here. Wednesday I am writing. Now here check it out. Yes, this data is written. What is this one? Here I am writing a what? Friday. I am writing a what? Sunday. I am writing a what? Monday. I am writing a what? Friday. I am writing a what? Tuesday. I am writing a what? So now here it is. So now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On Thursday like this only, it won't work. Why it is not working? DAY format we are using means what the problem is. Anybody attending a what yesterday class means already I am telling. MONTH format we are using means MONTH format we are using. How many bytes of memory is allocated internally? 9 bytes. Same like whenever we are using a what 2_char DAY format, not a DY. DY means okay, there is no problem. DAY format is there. Same internally, how many bytes are allocated? 9 bytes of memory is allocated. That's why here Wednesday is a what? There is no problem. Wednesday means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one? 9. Who are the employees are joining in a Wednesday means just here I am writing a what query. There is no problem. Why? DAY means there is no problem. But unfortunately, who are the employees are joining in a Friday? It won't work. Here no row selected. Why? Because yes, how many maximum size of the number of bytes in a where DAY format we are using is 9 bytes. But here, how many bytes of how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? 6 is there. Yes, to overcome this problem, anybody attending a what? Yesterday class means I am telling a what? Which one? Very good. Here, FM is a mode. I am telling or not. Whenever we are using a what? FM mode, automatically here that Friday who are the employees are joining, that is automatically displayed or not? Yes, here. That is important. That's why whenever we are using a what? Yes, a 2_char where char me sorry 2_char in a where class. Be careful. 2 formats only problem. All other formats are working. What are the formats are problem? One is what? MONTH. Another one is what? DAY. Remaining anything you are using also there is no problem. DAY format you are using also sometimes data is not retrieved. Why? Because maximum bytes are 9 bytes. Yes, here your pass date is a what? Less than 9 bytes means automatically no row selected. To overcome that problem, we are using a what? A fill mode only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Remaining all the things, there is no problem. Only month MONTH and a DAY is a less case they are using in a real-time project side. Why? Because you know the concepts also. Maybe another new developers doesn't know means they are facing the problem. That's why they never used they're very less case they're using in a very MONTH and a DAY format. DY there is no problem. There is no problem. MON there is no problem only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now write it. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are joining on Friday. Friday. No, Friday from EMP table by using 2_char function. Write a query to display the employees who are joining in on Friday from EMP table by using 2_char function. DY means there is no problem. DAY we are using is problem. Okay, na? Yes, here. First write it this one, then FRA DAY solution I will tell. Then theory also I am telling. Write it this one, same like yesterday. Okay, na? Yeah. Here no row selected, right? Solution, right? No row selected, write it in that case. And solution, right? Completed. Yes, same theory, write it fast, write a note. Write a note, fastly write it. In Oracle side, in Oracle, whenever we are using 2_char function, DAY format, DAY format, then Oracle server internally allocates, then Oracle server internally allocates, then Oracle server internally allocates maximum 9 bytes, maximum 9 bytes of memory in day field. Whenever passed day having less than 9 bytes, then Oracle server does not return any result. Does not return any result when we are using to_char function in where clause. To overcome this problem, then we must use fill mode. Fill mode within the bracket FM. Fill mode in day field. Sorry, in day format. FM no? Day format. Okay, na same like a MONTH yesterday is there, no? Same concept. Okay, yeah. That's why I'm not explaining, only already maybe your guess. But Wednesday means there is no problem. Why? Because there is a 9 bytes only. Okay, na? That is also write a query fast. Last query this one, then we are starting a date insertion. Write a query fast. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are joining on Wednesday from EMP table in Wednesday from EMP table by using to_char function DAY format. DY means there is no problem, only DAY is the problem. Okay, na? But in this case, Wednesday means 9 bytes, no? That's why here I am writing what Wednesday means there is no problem, no? Yes, here automatically working. Write it. Same like yesterday concept. FMDAY only varies. Yeah. But in this Wednesday side, FM is not required. Okay, na? Where the problem is there, then we are using FM. Okay. Display you are trying also, gaps are there. In that case, we are using a what? FM. Okay. Finished fast. Up to now, we are learning what? First rule in a 2_char and 2_date. We are learning only. What is that one? Whenever we are using a 2_char, first parameter must be Oracle date type. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. What is the second rule? Whenever we are using a 2_date, passed parameter return values must match with the default date format return values. Otherwise, it will give us an error. Whenever error is occurred also, simple solution they are giving Oracle Corporation. Use a second parameter as same as a what? First parameter format. Then only Oracle server internally automatically converts a date string into where? Oracle date type. Okay, na? Up to that one we are discussing up to now. And also practice purpose, some queries you are writing to carry condition important. That's why so many queries I'm telling. Now today, very important concept already I'm telling. Second rule of the 2_date I am telling today. So many rules are there. Second rule most powerful. That rule so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. That's why maybe they are unable to insert a what dates into Oracle database date data type or timestamp columns only. Now today I am telling you what that rule concentrate very slowly. I am telling why, because most powerful. Through that one only we are inserting a what dates. Now that's why second rule most powerful. Now here check it out here, observe it here. Now always, now next is what? Dates insertion. Don't write it, insertion. How we are inserting a date. So that's why up to today I'm not telling. 2_date. Second rule is required. What is 2_date? Second rule means that is be careful, because that is in a way Java, .NET, these type of languages, some concept is there, same similar concept. What is that one means? Concentrate. Now onwards, 15 minutes concentrate, very important. This page only so many concepts are there. Suppose anybody attending a previous classes, prior to 2_char and 2_date, some functions I am telling. One is sysdate I am telling only. You are observing or not? Here, add_months I am telling in those days in a previous classes. Again, last_day maybe I am telling. You are observing or not? These are the predefined functions. Again, another functions are there. Next_day, months_between. In those days, maybe you are observing or not, in this add_months, sysdate only I am using. You are observing or not? Again, last_day also in this predefined function, sysdate only I am using. But what is my doubt in a add_months, last_day, next_day, months_between is there in place of sysdate. I am interested to use my own date. What happened? Observe it here. That based only second rule. What is the second rule means? I will tell you. Whenever we are passing a date string into predefined date functions, Oracle date functions like this, add underscore months, last underscore day, months underscore between in a future, next underscore day. What happened? What happened? Anybody telling me? Great. Why? Because the same concept is available in a where insert statement also in a Oracle side. Now, most powerful, practically I'm showing only. Anybody guessing me is really great. This is a new concept. Suppose here screen observe it, I am using a what? Select. Don't write it here. This is totally different. Last underscore day in a Oracle predefined function I'm taking. Okay, fine. In this predefined function, sysdate I am writing, there is no problem. Okay, in a Oracle predefined function, date function you are taking. In that one, sysdate we are using means there is no problem. Okay, fine. Automatically working or not? Yes, because sysdate means Oracle server understandable. That is a Oracle date only. That's why 31st October 2021, last day of the year, this month only it will display. But unfortunately, screen observe it, don't sleep only. This is very important. That's why very slowly I'm telling. In place of sysdate, I am not interested to use sysdate. I am interested to use my own date, any date. Okay, fine. Yes, any date I try to use single quotes. Any date here, 24th, 25th, 23rd, anything. Now here, yes, 20, anything also. 20 I'm using. December I'm using. Again, I'm using a 2009, anything, just I something, some date only. Now I try to execute this query. Maybe this query is working. Otherwise, in front of this one, 2 underscore date is required. Only one thing is correct, fast. Anybody guessing is great. In front of this string only, we are using a what? Compulsory 2 underscore date is required. Otherwise, without using a 2 underscore date, this function is working. Only one thing is correct, fast. Maybe anybody guess it? Whenever sysdate means there is no problem, but in place of sysdate, we are using our own date in a where last underscore day, months underscore between in a future. Now here yes, yeah, months underscore between and next underscore day in a futures and previous classes add underscore months. These Oracle predefined functions. In a Oracle predefined functions, sysdate means there is no problem, but our own date I am using only. Then in this case, 2 underscore date is required or not required? Yes, here. Required or not required? Anybody telling me is really great. Required or not required? Very, 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 very important. Suppose I am a first time newcomer. You are a first time newcomer. How you are thinking? Don't worry, Murli sir. Just here you are using a what? Single code only. That's why it will be treated as a string only. Oracle server not understandable. This is a date only. This is a string only. That's why we must use a 2 underscore date only. We are thinking generally we are thinking like this, but unfortunately 2 underscore date is not required in this case. Why? Any reason is there? Reason is there. Individually function is not there means 2 underscore date is required. Yesterday I am only telling. That's why yesterday I am not telling this concept. Why? Because separately you are learning means remembering. Whenever we are using a what? Yes, here. Okay, so now here, yes, last underscore day, next underscore day, and month underscore between or add underscore month functions, Oracle predefined functions. In that case, string you are passing also. 2 underscore date is not required. Why it is not required means I will tell you. Now here, check it out. Screen observe here. Here in this case, you are also thinking 2 underscore date is required, but unfortunately not required. Whenever not required also, it will be working. Yes, here working or not, what is this one working? How it is possible? How it is possible means reason is there. Actually, now here in every C language, Java, .NET, these type of languages, conversions is a concept is there. In those conversions, 2 types of conversions are there in every language in the worldwide. One is implicit conversion. Another one is your explicit conversion. Implicit conversion is also called as automatic conversion. No, implicit conversion. Another one is what? Explicit conversion. Explicit conversion. Implicit conversion means server only take care or compiler only take care. Explicit conversion means you are only using explicitly to care to date like that only. Observe here. Yes, whenever we are passing a init string into where, date string into where, Oracle predefined date functions, Oracle server internally uses what? Implicit conversion. That is automatically convert a what? Oracle date string into where? Oracle date type. Up to this one, you don't have an idea this implicit conversion. In the future, another chapter side, you have an idea. Now the same implicit conversion is available in a where insert statement also today. That's why very slowly I'm telling. This is very important. But this implicit conversion is there in a where. Observe here. Whenever we are passing screen observe it here. Only two rules are there. Observe here. This is the latest one. Observe here. Whenever this is a whenever in a string we are passing into where Oracle predefined functions. Here functions are there. Oracle predefined function last underscore day, months underscore between, add underscore months and next underscore day. In that case only, yes, you are not required to use a to underscore date. Why? Because this is a string also. Oracle server automatically converts this string into where Oracle date type. That is important. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Now check it out. Now check it out here. But so many fellows having a doubt. Okay, Murli sir, you are telling implicit conversion. But I am removing a what? I am removing a what? A last underscore day, months underscore between, next underscore day. It won't work. Suppose that functions are not there means, yes, automatic conversion is not there. In a previous class, I am telling or not. In this case, yes, there is no automatic conversion. Error. In this case, compulsory, we are using a what? Yes, here, yes, explicitly we are using a what? To underscore date function, to underscore date function only. In that case, compulsory explicit conversion like that only. And now here, yes, here, to underscore date function. But unfortunately, observe here what they are telling. Whenever we are passing a what? Any date string into Oracle predefined functions like add underscore months underscore between, today insert into statement also. In that case, automatic conversion is there. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Not completed. This is a dangerous mechanism. Observe here. Select last underscore day is a predefined function. In this function, I'm using a what? 20th. Suppose here December. Again here 09/2009 anything from dual. In this case, I am also, you are also thinking what this is a string. That's why in front of this one 2 underscore date is required. You are thinking, but not required. Whenever we are passing a what? A date string into where Oracle predefined date functions, Oracle server telling internally automatically converts a date string into Oracle date type. That's why in this case 2 underscore date is not required, automatically working. Implicit conversion. Okay, na? Yeah. But this is a danger. Why dangerous mechanism is? In this case, this is a special case. In this case, passed parameter return values must match with the default date format return values. Observe here. DD, MON, YY, you have an idea in a default date format. DD means a number, it will be written. MON means a character, it will be written. YY means a number, it will be written. That's why here number, character, number is there. Then only implicit conversion or automatic conversion is available. Whenever passed parameter return values not matching a default date format return values means again error. Suppose in place of December, yes, I am using a what? 12. Now in this case it won't work. It won't work. Impossible. In this case there is no choice. Compulsory yesterday concept only. 2 underscore date only we are using. Now check it out. In this case only error. In this case compulsory you are using a what? Very good, very good. There is no alternative choice. In this case we are using a what? 2 underscore date only. Use a second parameter as same as what? First parameter format. Here DD, here MM, again YY, like this only. In this case, use a second parameter as same as first parameter format. This is most powerful. By very slowly repeatingly I'm telling means this one you have an idea, then only date insertion today you are understandable. Why? Because same 100% same these two rules are there in a insert into statement in a where Oracle side. That much of powerful. Once inserting means some other concept is there, time is there, so many round and trunk functions are there, we are learning only. Okay, na? This is very important concept only. And now here implicit conversion and explicit conversion. That is a big concept in a future, but today I am telling because date insertion I am telling today. Okay, na? Individually means compulsory to date, but in a functions we are passing in a these dates means automatic conversion is there. Okay, na? Yes, write a note. Note, write it, very important note. This one, this is a second rule. Okay, second rule in a way, 2 underscore date side. Write a note in Oracle. In Oracle, whenever we are passing date string means characters, no, date string into Oracle predefined date functions, within the brackets, add underscore months, comma, last underscore day, comma, next underscore day. In a future we are learning next underscore day, comma, months underscore between. These are the predefined functions are then. Oracle predefined date functions within the parentheses, these functions, write it. Then bracket close, then we are not required, to use 2 underscore date function. Then we are not required to use 2 underscore date function explicitly, because in this case, Oracle server internally uses implicit conversion. Implicit conversion means automatic conversion. Okay, implicit conversion. But some problem is there. But here, write it this area. But here, passed parameter, return values, must match with default date format return values. Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error. Okay, na? Example 1, write it. Here 1 within the bracket implicit conversion. Oh, maybe. Implicit, explicit later in a future. Okay, na? This is a very important theory. Very slowly I'm telling why, because this is explicitly very important concept in a project side also. Today, date insertion side also. Because normal operations are different. Functions, predefined functions are there in this case automatically. In this case, 2 underscore date is not required. Okay, yeah. Now example 2, write it. explicit conversion. Just we are changing a December month place to allow no default date format values are not there here. In that case, we are using the 2_date. Write it this one. Completed this one. Implicit conversion, write it this one. Oh, maybe number, character number is there. That's why not required 2_date internally. Oracle server only uses 2_date internally. But here, number, character number, default date format written value is not matching. That's why not a valid month. Here, solution. Solution means there is no solution in without 2_date. Okay, yeah. Now use a second parameter as same as first parameter format already. Output write it. Last day is 31 December 09. Big project side also time zones they are using also these type of concepts they are using. Okay, now very important. This one, anybody having idea, then they those persons are never mistaken when they are loading a dates into Oracle database date data type column. That much of powerful. In a future, timestamp data type is there. In that case, also we are inserting time and all these things. Here, dates only we are inserting. Same rule in insert statement, write it. Side heading, very important. This is I want that purpose. Slowly, I'm telling in a previous case. Inserting dates, very important, put a star. Inserting dates into Oracle date, first initial stage data types I'm telling you, Oracle date data type column. That's why first we are not telling this one. Why? Because this much of knowledge is required. Side heading, put a star, most powerful concept this one. Put a star, very important. Inserting dates into Oracle date data type column. Actually, number data type means what is the syntax? Column name number. Yes, character means how can I column name character. Same like date means date. There is no size only. We are not allowed to give any size because 7 bytes internally allocated. Write it syntax, write it. Syntax. Column name date. In a future timestamp also. Here date. Column name space date. Okay. Now practical I am showing first. You are only telling which date is inserted, which date is not inserted. You are only telling, I think. Why? Because recently we are learning a rule. Which one? Whenever we are passing a what, any dates into function, predefined date function, sometimes implicit, sometimes explicit conversion is there. No, same like insert statement also. Insert into table name values. This insert into table name values statement also. Same Oracle predefined functions. How recently we are learning a concept. Same concept is there. That based only you are only tell me. Now 5 minutes concentrate. Very important. Suppose I am creating a table in a table. Now check it out. Now very, very important. I am creating a table, for example. Don't write it anything. Just observe it here. Create table. Table name test. In this one, in a column, date of birth like this. Otherwise, date of joining. Otherwise, higher date, date of transaction. Like this, any names. But here, I am giving a what? Column 1, our end user idea purpose. Space. Date is a keyword. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, date is a keyword. Yes, here, test is a table, date is a keyword. There is a data type, no, date is a data type. Oracle Corporation also giving a what? Here, select a star from EMP, for example. In this EMP table, which one? Here, higher date is a column name they are given, no? Same like I'm giving a column 1, no? Same higher date they are giving. And they are storing a dates. How means I will tell you here DSC, what the table EMP we are typing means here higher date is a column is there. In this column, which data type is there? Date. There is no size. Same. You are also declaring a what? Which one? So now here, yes, here that date is a data type. That's why now here check it out. What is the first step? Don't write it only. Create a table. What is the table is there? Test only. Here column 1. Here date. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, okay. Date is a data type. Timestamp it is a data type. Timestamp with local time zone is a data type. Timestamp with time zone is a data type. So many data types are there, but date related. But regularly used concept is date and timestamp. Date. Now I try to insert. Insert into. And now here, yes, test is a table values. Here I'm inserting a sysdate, my own interest. Now sysdate. Whenever you are inserting a what sysdate means, yes, today date it will be inserted or not. Yes, here. There is no problem. This is inserted. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Because oracles are understandable, this is a date only. But DD-MON-YY internally stored. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here. Now I want to interested to view means select a star from test is a table. Yes, automatically 29 October 2021. Today 29 October. Yes, so now here like this only it will be there. This is DD-MON-YY 29, correct. And now here observe it here. Now suppose now another date I try to insert. Now onwards you are only tell me. Now here insert into table name test only values here. Now you are only tell me. Now suppose here 13 iPhone. Okay. Here I try to insert a what? April, for example. Now iPhone 08 I am inserting only. Now this record is inserted, otherwise 2 underscore date is required. Only one thing is correct. Fast, maybe. Guess it. This date is inserted, otherwise 2 underscore date is required. Only one thing is correct. This record is inserted or not inserted? Guess it, guess it. Some fellows are guessing, I think. Very good. Yes, this is inserted. Why? Because here return values, observe it here, number, character, number. Default date format return values means number, character, DD, MY, and YY means number, character, number is there. No, that's why here implicit conversion is there. Here this date automatically convert into where this string is. This is a string really. This string is automatically converted into where? Yes, Oracle date type only. That's why in this case, implicit conversion, same like a previous case we are learning about which one? Yes, implicit conversion. I'm telling you, no. Yes, in this case, whenever you are passing a date string into where Oracle predefined date functions, implicit conversion. I'm telling same like here. Whenever we are passing a date string into where insert statement also. Yes, a number, character, number means implicit conversion is there. This is so many fellows doesn't know. That's why repeatedly I'm telling. Same like a predefined functions, this rule. Very good. Yes, inserted. Very good. Some fellows are telling guessing only, really great. Inserted. They are telling very good implicit conversion. You are guessing. Okay, fine. Very good. Correct. Select star from test. Very good. Now tell me. Now another record I try to insert. Another record I try to insert. Maybe now you are telling me is great. Insert into here. Anything also I try to insert a 23rd slash 07/05 anything I am writing. Now this record is inserted or not inserted? Maybe. Now here only one thing is correct. This record is inserted, otherwise 2_date is required. Only one thing is correct. Very good. In our class, nobody sleeping only. All persons are correctly they are telling. Very good. Now here, very good. Not inserted. They are telling. All are telling 2_date is required. Very good. Correct. 100% correct. Why? Because here default date format is not there. Default date format means number, character, number means implicit conversion is there. But here number is there. That's why server is understandable. This is a string only. That's why it is not inserted. Very good. Yes, correct. Yes, very good. 100% correct. This is not inserted. In this case, you are a good professional means you are using a what? Very good. How you are inserting a what? This one means always we are using a what? 2_date function. Very good. Yes, here now check it out. Here we are using a what? 2_date here. Oh, maybe you are not sorry, server is not understandable. This is a string. This is a date means you are only intimating to the server. This is not a string. This is a date means 2_date. But 2_date we are using means formats are not correct means then we are using a second parameter. No, use a second parameter as same as first parameter format here like this one. Sorry, now here DD YY because 23 means DD, 07 means yes, so 05 means YY. No, yeah, very good. That's why previous classes knowledge is required. And now here check it out here. Sorry, and now here I try to execute. Yes, it will be inserted. Beautiful concept only. And now here, but inserted also again it will be storing in a DD-MY-YY format. Okay. Yes, 07. I am using also that is a July. I am not writing also. It is DD-MY-YY. It will be storing. Okay, na? Yes, here now check it out. Here select star from yes test only. Okay, na? Yes, very good. Here 23 July 2005 it will be storing or not. Very interesting. That's why whenever anybody try to insert a dates means be careful. Number, character, number is there, that automatic conversion. Other than that case 2_date you must use it, and 2_date first second parameter also you must use it. Very important. Same like a predefined functions concept, no, same 100% same. That's why these two concepts we are telling today. Write it. Very good. So many fellows are telling correct answers. Correct. Next topic is round truncate. This insertion side most powerful. Example, write it. Example. This example 3 is understandable. This is implicit conversion. We are not allowed to use any size. Okay, yeah. Can we store user defined format? No. Default date format only it will be storing. Okay, yeah. If you want to change that default date format also means alter session set NLS date format is there in a feature some other concept. Another chapter. Now this is explicit conversion, not for slash base, real return value space. Okay. Hello, completed this one. Yeah. Okay. Na? Yeah. Okay, fine. Now observe it here. This based only so many concepts next only. That's why very slowly I'm telling date and time also there, trunk is there, round is there, next most beautiful concepts. Again, to underscore it something where. But unfortunately, subject wise, this is 100% correct. But interview side, observe it here. Suppose I am learning a course Oracle. For example, I am learning a course Oracle. I am putting a what 3 years of fake experience only in a PLSQL developer. I am attending an interview. Okay, fine. Whenever I am attending interviews, my interviewer asking some queries only. I am writing some PLSQL concepts. They are asking. I am writing. But unfortunately, my body language is not good. That's why interviewer having a doubt only this person is working or not working. He having okay. So now here he always so much of doubts only based on my body language. That's why immediately he is using a one technique. Murli, really are you working? He is asking. I am telling yes only. Then immediately he is asking a what one beautiful concept. Murli, how you are inserting a what dates in your project? He is asking. Simple. How you are inserting a what dates in your project? He is asking. Then I'm a fake candidate, really not working means I'm telling, oh, maybe this is a good subject is there. Yes, what I'm telling. Whenever I'm inserting a what dates, whenever parser parameter return values not match, okay, so matching with the what default date format return values, then implicit conversion using by the server. That's why automatically inserted. Whenever passed parameter return values not match with the what default date format return values, then I am using a what a to underscore date function. Yes, here in my insert statement only through that one only I'm inserting the dates. I am telling, for example, whenever I am telling like that, immediately rejected. Yes, I am a fake candidate, easily identified by the interviewer. Why? Subject wise good. This is correct, really. But unfortunately, I am telling same answer to interviewer only. Interviewer easily identify he is a fake candidate only, just rejected. And now here, why means the reason is there. What is the reason behind that one means? Whenever anybody asking about how you are inserting a what dates in your Oracle project side, anybody asking means you are a good professional means you are a working professional means you are telling answer. Yes, I am inserting a what dates into date data type column by using to underscore date function only you are telling. That is a correct answer. Implicit conversion, those type of things don't tell to interviewer. Why? Because in a real time, any dates they are giving me is to underscore date compulsory they are using every insert statement. Why they are using this one means they are telling up more clearly. Whenever we are using a what explicit conversion, then only performance very high. Why? Because whenever implicit conversion is there, burden on the server, performance is very low. Performance also very important in a database side. Very okay, so now performance is very important. That's why always in a project side they are using a what to underscore date function through only they are inserting a what dates. Anywhere you have to check it out. In a good authors are writing a what insert statement, every insert statement in our books, in a Google, in a books we are referring means dates insertion to underscore date only they are using a good professional. Implicit conversion is available also in that case also to underscore date they are using. Why? Because implicit conversions are burden on the server. It will take more time. But unfortunately, explicit conversions are okay. So we are providing explicit conversion means it is very fast compared to implicit conversion. That's why yes, project side, every good professional managers are okay. So not telling to yes developers only in a Oracle developer side. Please be inserted dates by using explicit conversion function to underscore date, to underscore timestamp like that only. But here date column is to underscore date. That's why anybody interviewer or subject wise okay this one. Implicit explicit conversion, but in a interview asking how you are inserting want dates into your Oracle database date data type column is what is your answer? I am inserting want dates by using to underscore date function. That is the correct answer. Okay, now understood this one? Yes, here. Next, very important. Whenever we are inserting a dates, okay, but here we are retrieving a what data by using a what something only, then what happened? Internally time and a date something is there. That through we are learning a what a round and a trunk function that is most powerful. That is the third step, very, very important. In that case also 2 underscore date I'm telling, that is tomorrow is a better option. Okay. Na? Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow will continue. Up to this one, practice it. Tomorrow will continue remaining. Okay. Na? Thank you. Tomorrow will continue. Because these are important concepts, slowly we are learning. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay. Yes. Thank you.